Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. So I've been getting these questions like, hey, what's going on in the data science field? So I wanted to take some time and answer that question like, hey, what's up? What's going on in the data science? What's new, right? Recently, data science, of course, we are expecting people to know about pandas, data cleaning, data processing, data transformation, that's basic. Then the second level of data stuff would be using Dask, because think about it. When you want to read like massive files which are 1 GB, 2 GB, you have to have a distributed cluster, right? What I'm saying is, when you read some massive file, when you want to apply some transformation, you want to distribute your load across multiple clusters, right? So that's where the Dask comes into place, right? If you're doing something with scientific computing, Numba, NUMBA, it's amazing stuff. It speeds up your Python certain functionality. So check it out, Numba. After that, for writing ETL and workloads, Airflow is a buzz right now. Trust me, it's a very new technology right now. It's still in I mean, a lot of people, not so many people know it, but I just wanted to bring this out to everyone. Like, Airflow is an amazing scheduler. You could schedule your cron jobs or Python functions. You can easily spin up that with a Docker container, so Docker Compose. You could scale up, scale down with Celery workers. You could have a Redis or a RabbitMQ as a task queue. Not only that, apart from that, you could scale up for the Kubernetes executor. They have recently released Airflow version 2. So a lot of things going on in that sector, right? So you definitely want to take some time and definitely want to consider learning about Airflow for sure. Please trust me. Spend some time learning about Airflow. It would be useful for you. You will be like, oh, I should have learned it. Okay, whatever. So that's fine. So that's that. Now since the data science, now you also want to try out to. So for example, I wrote a blog as well. Like, when you do apply function, right? When you select a column and apply some transformation, let's say you are doing that for 4 columns, right? So now the problem is, actually it's slow. You're doing a synchronous call. How you could do it asynchronously? You could use Task, or you could use Swifter. It's a library. It's called Swifter. Or you could use in Airflow, you could parallelize among distributed clusters. You could do that as well using Celery workers. That's amazing. So yeah, you could do a lot of things, right? Lately, then we come to AWS. So right, querying this massive data on S3 via Athena, transforming data via, maybe, what was that, glue jobs. Yeah, you can write glue jobs. You can write scripts from scratch as well. Then you have Spark as well in data science. So then we have EMR, Elastic Map Reduce. So that's that. So yeah, a lot of things going on in data science. I mean, and then there are, of course, like a whole different set of technologies, that is visualization and business intelligence, like Tableau and all. But still, there are like a lot more. So I haven't like even touched those parts. So I'm just talking about the Python libraries here in this channel. Like, these are the thing. Okay, pandas, NumPy, Dask, Swifter, some of these libraries, you definitely want to check it out. Then a little bit about Scikit Learn, so making small ML models, like for example, like categorical, like when you want to predict categories, right? Simple models. Learn to do all of that, and learn how to write asynchronous codes, learn how to do threads, queues in Python, some very basic stuff. You definitely want to consider writing object-oriented codes. You want to write efficient object-oriented codes. So that's when you would use slots, right? In Python, you could use slots to make your more classes more efficient. You want to apply design patterns there, like facade, or you want to apply object injection model, all of that, right? So yeah, that's the thing is going on in the data science. But if you haven't heard about Airflow, please consider learning about it. It would be definitely a game changer, because I think it's an amazing piece of technology that's developed by Airbnb, and now it's an open source. Everyone is using it. It's Python, Celery. So yeah, consider taking a look at all of these stuff. Apart from any other things, if I have missed anything, you could leave that in the description, and everyone can read about that, of course. Let me know if you want any other topics. If you want me to discuss about any other topics, I would be more than happy to discuss about that. So with that being said, keep smiling, keep coding, stay safe, and see you guys next time.